This is a quick video on how to use the Absolute Software website. What you would do is in your web browser, type in bit.ly / capital letters FWISD, lowercase, the word absolute. This will take you to the Absolute Software webpage. Once you have created your account, you may log into Absolute Software at this stage. When you have logged in, the main screen you will utilize is the Find Devices screen, which you can get to by clicking in the top left on Find Devices. This will take you to a web page that says Active Devices at the top. You will now click on the top left button that says Classic Reports. Once you have landed on the Reports page, click on the link that says Call History Report. At the next screen, let's say you want to look up a certain student and discover which device or devices this particular student has logged into. Where it says "and the field," select username. This is where you would type in the student's username, which begins with the letter S, followed by the ID number of the student, followed by @stu.org. I would like to search for the last 30 days. Everything else can remain the same. You then would click on Show Results. The report that is generated details this student and all of the devices that this student has been logging into. As you can see, this student has logged into multiple devices, which is evidenced because you see different serial numbers. This issue would need to be addressed with the student, and the student would need to be taught that logging into his or her device only is very important. You may also see the call time in which the student has logged into the particular device in each specific row. You also see the IP address, which details the exact location in which the student logged into that device. Another way that you can use Absolute Software is by changing "and the fields" to serial number. Here, you can input a serial number for a device and see which student or students have been logging into that device. This is a good way to locate a missing device on campus. I changed the "and the field" to serial number. Now I will input the serial number of the device of interest into this text box. I have input the serial number into the text box. Again, I can customize the date range in which I would like to search, and I say Show Results. I now have a report of which students have logged into the computer, and again, I have a timestamp of when exactly they last logged into it. It appears here that the same student has logged into this device, so I know that that device is very likely in the possession of that student. Again, I have the IP address of where they have logged into it, and this report will help me locate this device. If you would like to know how to accomplish other things with Absolute Software, get in contact with one of the technology learning coaches with the Education Technology Department, and we will be happy to help you accomplish your goals by pulling data and reports with Absolute Software.